So we are just over with unboxing, and we can see here that's the main module or the handle with the nice grip. It has got a turbo function over here. This is the on off button, and that's where we see the speed control. So we can see here it has a variety of speed starting with 1 and going up to 21. So 21 Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to another interesting video for unboxing another important kitchen appliance from Brown. So this time we are going to unbox and share the product reviews for Brown MultiQuick 5V. So which is a handheld blender. So again, just to declare a disclaimer that this product is purely based on personal experience and is not really a paid content. Before we get started, let's have a quick look on the box. So first one over here, it says that the design is Germany made. Perhaps the make or the country of origin might be China, we can see that, but the design is German design. There are 21 speeds on the top of the knob over here. Important feature is that it's a 1000-watt blender, and this is the model number, if you can note it down, MQ5235, and hand blender is the name. And that's where we have got three sort of plug-in. So this is the basic one, second one is the beater, and the third one is a bowl or a jug kind of thing over here. So we can see some of the instructions, quick instructions. So that's how we can unplug and install these three different plugins. And down below we can see the SKU or serial number and all those stuff. The voltage is important, so it's basically meant for 220 to 240 voltage, and the frequency is also designed for 50 to 60 hertz, which means it can be used in the Middle East as well as India or Pakistan. So I mean, normally we have different frequencies. That's the same thing but written in another language, if you would like to understand that. And here again, so some basic instructions. So here they are saying that the power bell plus, so which means it's the quality of the blade is that it is more efficient, BPA free design, and dishwasher safe. The design of this flour or this blender is such a way that it avoids the splashes, and the dismantling and installation is quite easy. That's the top view. And if we go to the bottom, so that's something here. So let's get started with opening the box. So we are just over with unboxing, and we can see here that's the main module or the handle with the nice grip. It has got a turbo function over here. This is the on off button, and that's where we see the speed control. So we can see here it has a variety of speed starting with 1 and going up to 21. So 21 different speeds it has got. And that's the motor, of course, and you are going to plug in different modules. That's the very first one. Let's try with a click of a button, so it's ready to use, and that's, you can see the blade design. That's the bowl, kind of a jug with separate blades inside, which can be used for mincing and other stuff. That's for the beater part, for eggs or creamy things. And that's the jug. So I was about to see if there is a measurement. Yes, so I can confirm that there are different measurements, and the maximum size you can hold here is, I think, 600 milliliters, which is quite nice. And that's the big manual, so big. These are the typical instructions you can find in here for the installations, operation. Of course, I'm gonna have to go through all of them before really using effectively. What else do we have? That's plugin maybe for using it with the bowl, and that's also a cap for the bowl over here. Nothing. The last paper, yeah, that's basically a paper for the warranty and the payment. So just to confirm that we bought it under discount, and the price we paid for was about 196 dirhams, and it was a discounted price with the extended warranty for 1 year, but before the discount the price was sitting at 250 something. All right, so in our next video perhaps we will try to record some practical demonstration of how this works, and in terms of the noise level